Hello, I'm happy to be with you again. This is Precious Gift, and I want to welcome you to my channel. Today, I'm coming to give you information about Fufu going viral. Fufu, a local and traditional cuisine in African countries that has in the recent time become so popular. People are seeking for information. People are liking it. In fact, Google witnessed a great surge in searches because people want to know. People keep asking, what is so special? What is the significance of this food? What are the characteristics? What is actually, how do you prepare it? How do you eat it? Where is it made from? What is so unique about this? And so many other things that I'm sure you might also have been trying to find answer to. So this video is going to do justice to that. I've also picked up interest because when I look at being on the social media, online, on the internet, even in the recent time, it caught my fancy. And like you know, this channel is all about providing answers to some gray areas or information for our viewers. So this video will give us insights as into what is responsible for this popularity of this meal or dish that have been around for quite a while, is predominantly available in Nigeria and Ghana and some other West African countries. And my discovery, first and foremost, took me aback to the fact that history has it that this dish, Fufu, has been around for over 400 years. And it is being consumed by over 300 million of the West African countries. So it is such a very well accepted dish in West African country. And within the space of 2020 to now, the search on it, people trying to get information on it, has actually made Google searches to go to as far as 500 million searches on it. And the trend has also reported over 200% in the space of time to show to us that actually people are seeking for information about it, and they will continue to seek for it because something has actually triggered their interest. Then what are those things? Is it not just a meal? There are so many other kind of food in Africa. There are so many other local dishes. But what is so different about this? Why are people suddenly picking interest? And that has made this popularity to be all over the places. Not just in the African countries, but even in the Western world. And I found this. I found that sometimes ago, between 2020 and 2021, a content creator in the US had a contest, hashtag Fufu challenge, which engages people reactions because it was a eating contest, eat and interact. People begin to know about it, people begin to pick interest, people begin to like it from the taste and see and comment, and this actually inspired so many people to wanting to find more about this particular local dish and traditional dish in Africa. Also, the content creators have also promoted it by the fact that they begin to teach people on how to prepare it, the kind of soup to go with it. They also made that content to be such that it began to gain the interest of people that do not even know about it before. Celebrities, social media influencers, they began to also promote it through their eats, taste and eat, challenge, contest here and there, the how to do it, how to cook it, and other features of this very, very age-long food was brought to the limelight. So it has also become a very great dish that brought to the limelight the cultural heritage of African countries. Because there's no way you will want to know about a particular culture without considering their food. And so fufu has become one of those food that people pick interest in, those that, and the good results that are coming in. Because when people make searches, they try it and they taste it and they love it, and you see people wanting to know more. It is a staple food that is starchy because it is made from cassava. But beyond that, it has some other nutritional value that I'm sure by the time we be ending this video, we encourage us and we further give us that information that will enable us to appreciate why we have this popularity and the viral video all over about fufu. So I try to look at what are those things, and I discovered that as against the belief that we have that because it's a starchy food, it's only going to have is a carbohydrate food. It's going to be high in carb, and possibly because of that, so many people might be withdrawing. Yes, actually, it has carbohydrates, which enables, supplies very rich quantity of energy. It's very, very good. And beyond that, it has some protein element, it has some fat and oil, it has vitamins and minerals. Actually, vitamin C, vitamin A and B are there in fufu. It's calorie condensed, no doubt about that. But it also contains fiber that help digestive system. So which is to tell us that it's not a kind of meal you will eat that will constipate you. And also, if you take it with enough vegetable, if you prepare vegetable soup, like you are aware, so many people tried it with egusi soup, with ogbono soup, with okra soup, and with vegetable soup. All this paired up soup that can go with it is also among what I found out that have also put fufu on the spotlight in the social world, in the social media world, or on the internet. Because there are several soups that you can eat it with. And the other thing that I found out is people pick interest in the ease of preparation. The ease of preparation and the way it is being eaten. You eat it, you roll it, you cut it into rolls, and you mix it or put it in your, if it is the draw soap, and you just take it in, you swallow without having to chew. I found out that this convenience of eating it without having to chew is another great point that caught the fancy of some of the people seeking to know, or people that have actually tried it and they are getting interested the more. So fufu has gone viral. It has actually caught the internet by storm because people are always all over looking for it. And I said the greatest of the reason why this surge has been on the increase is the contest that took place. The mukbang contest, the food contest, the challenge, the hashtag Fufu challenge. That one really opened it up to the whole world to really probe into, wanting to know and they are not disappointed by their findings. That is why you still see people today, they are all over looking for, asking for, seeking for information because they also want to partake in it. The content creators have not also failed in their own role. They have also opened up the food by showing how to do it, the recipe, how to go about it in their various contexts. And that has further promoted it and made it a wanting to have dish or meal this time around. So with this information that I've been able to give to us, I want to believe it is valuable somehow, because a whole lot of us that have also been eating this fufu before now possibly do not actually know that it has some of these nutritional components that I've mentioned. I said it contains carbohydrates. It is very rich in carbohydrates and fiber. It boosts energy. It's good for people, maybe you are doing hard work and you need something that will keep you on the go. It's also rich in fiber. It has fats. It has vitamins and minerals. It has some level of protein in it. So this makes it a balanced meal. And by the time you now use a very richly made soup, whether it is green vegetable, egusi, ogbono, okra with it, you see it becoming a very balanced nutrition that is good for all. So this is my finding on why fufu has taken us by the storm and it has gone viral. I want to believe this video has been able to supply one or two information to answer that your query. If it has done so, please share with others, like it, and subscribe if you have not yet done so. And like you know that this channel will always seek for your own contribution because it is a platform to rub minds. Please also share your own cultural local dish in the comment below if you wish to do so. I will also want our viewers to learn other local dishes that are available. Please share in the comment below and be glad to have it. I want to thank you for your time. See you in my next video. Thank you and God bless.